Welcome to Galaxy of Skills. Here are the greetings and phrases for basic conversation. Greetings. Hello. Hi there. Hey. Howdy. Good day. Starting a conversation. How are you? How's everything? How's it going? What's up? How have you been? Replies. I'm good, thanks. I'm well, thank you for asking. Life is pretty good, how about you? Not too bad, how about yourself? Things are going well on my end. Continuing the conversation. What's new? Any plans for the day? Have you been up to anything interesting? How's work, school been? Have you seen the latest movie, show? Concluding the conversation. It was nice catching up. Take care. Have a great day. See you later. Let's chat soon. Let's see an example. John. Hi Jeff. How are you doing? Jeff. I'm good, long time no see. John. Yeah, it's been a while. What's new? Jeff. Not much, just keeping busy with school and stuff. John. How's school going? Jeff. It's going well. I'm in high school now, and I'm currently learning business statistics. John. That sounds interesting. How are you finding it? Jeff. It's challenging, but I'm enjoying the subject. How about you? What have you been up to? John. I've been working part-time and taking some online courses. Trying to stay productive. Jeff. That's great. It's important to keep learning and growing. What courses are you taking? John. I'm taking a digital marketing course and also learning coding. Jeff. Wow, that's impressive. Digital marketing is becoming so crucial these days. And coding is a valuable skill too. John. Yeah, I figured it would be good to have a mix of skills. Anyway, we should catch up properly sometime. How about grabbing a coffee this weekend? Jeff. Sounds like a plan. Let's make it happen. Looking forward to catching up and hearing more about your courses. John. Definitely. I'll message you to finalize the details. Take care, Jeff. Jeff. You too, John. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.